Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am back with the Northern Boys, some of my most dear and closest artists that we've ever reacted to on the channel. They always leave me smiling, always get a great reaction from them. Today is going to be Sexy Train. I expected nothing less from them. Thank you to Alan for letting me know that it dropped. Yeah guys, I'm so excited to hear what Norman, Patrick, Kev, see what they're all going to bring, hear what they're going to bring, because it's been a hot minute since I've done a Northern Boys reaction. I think they're criminally underrated, and they have way too few videos actually out on YouTube. So I'm so excited that they've got around to dropping another song, and I'm so excited to see what it's about. Let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead, jump right in. Please leave a like if you enjoy. Please subscribe for more. Comment down below anything else you would like to see from me. And like I say, without any further ado, let's go. Wait. They always do samples in their songs. I know this song. I had this song on my phone. Wait. Cheryl Lynn. Cheryl fucking Lynn. Got to be real. I swear it's that. Down. I swear it. 100%.
Baby, what's your name? I'm Pat, that's Kev, there's Norman Payne. Sweet love is a destination. I'll come take a ride on a sexy train. Get naked with me. Let's paint pictures of airplanes. This one here is a cargo jet, and I'm gonna call him Shadow Bane.
Oh, yoy. Norman. Oh, fucking hell. Fuck me. I mean, I'm hoping that he's made a full recovery. I'm guessing they wouldn't release the video if he didn't, but I mean, from what we saw on Norman's Twins of Darkness album with Roy and, you know, Mary, call an ambulance. That's weird. I mean, the takeaway is don't make a video with Patrick, because the guy might just get you killed. That's serious, man.
Skip back, you got me prick. I said sometimes life is a massive bitch. I've been evicted. Now I live in a dip. Skip back.
You can't do that, man. You can't do that, especially when it comes to old men. You can't do that. My heart was beating so fast in that little space where it went silent with the black screen. Maybe it's because of the prime energy, maybe not, but I'm just glad he's okay. That was, oh, wow, okay.
Skip back, you got me prick. I said sometimes life is a massive bitch. I've been evicted. Now I live in a ditch. But fuck it, all aboard, baby, shake your tits. I'm a strong, fancy gentleman. Shoot my load from a tree like Spider-Man. Put coke.
No, man. Wait. That's the second time he's talked about wanking in trees. What the fuck? Shoot my load from a tree like I'm Spider-Man. So in another video he was talking about, what was it? He said something and a wank in a tree. Does that mean that he's actually had a wank in a tree before? Is he the guy from the Miriam Margolyes clip?
Walking home late after a show one night, and I was walking through the meadows, which is a kind of field in the middle of Edinburgh. And I heard a rustling above me. Almost everything is above me, actually. So short. And I looked up, and I saw a young man masturbating in the tree.
I swear to God.
My tea, then it's time watch me cut shapes with my tiny hands. Whoa, hey, friggin' heck, bob my head like a pigeon peck. I wanna dance.
Oh, and Kev's, Patrick's dancing with his little knee brace on.
Whoa, hey, friggin' heck, bob my head like a pigeon peck. I wanna dance for eternity, so just fill my legs with a nanotech. Robot Pat can't be defeated, he shoots lasers from his eyes. Should've never given me the nanotech, cause now I kill motherfuckers with my nanotech thighs. I don't mean to be a dickhead, I wanna put a smile on your pretty face. I'm a cuboid alien man, I don't wanna be a part of the human race. Bombs, thieves, a bunch of swines, living a lie, sucking dick all the time. If you really wanna, we can do that too, but I'm much rather just hold hands with you. Come on! Yeah.
That's pretty tame for Norman. That is very tame for Norman.
Thieves, a bunch of swines, living a lie, sucking dick all the time. If you really wanna, we can do that too, but I'm much rather just hold hands with you. Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna make a love to me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker,
Of course.
do you wanna get fucked with me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna make a love to me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna get fucked with me? All aboard the sex train.
Oh my god.
All aboard the sexy train. All aboard the sex train. All aboard the sexy train. Hey motherfucker, let's get fucked. This here train is made of man love. Come on, have a ride, you sexy bastards, and don't go home till you're up the duff. Fuck yeah.
Wait, so they blurred sexy, but they left the word bastards full, I swear. Yeah. So in YouTube now, it's fine for bastards to be full on display, but sexy, God forbid.
And don't go home till you're up the duff. Fuck yeah. I gotta spring him a step. Let's measure things with a trigonometry set.
Do you, in America and places like that, do you guys have the word up the duff? Do you know what that means? It means pregnant if you don't, but that's interesting. I wonder if that is a common term internationally, or whether that is just another English sort of slang speech.
This here train is made of man love. Come on, have a ride, you sexy bastards, and don't go home till you're up the duff. Fuck yeah. I gotta spring him a step. Let's measure things with a trigonometry set, cause I'm high. I wanna kiss your face. I gotta make love slow, cause my legs in a brace. I got a man bag, and it's full of things. One of those things is your favourite thing. This one here is the greatest thing, and inside that thing is another thing. Wow, look,
What the fuck?
There's a German man, his name's Jürgen. He's a tiny man. What the fuck is he doing in a frying pan? Am I just high, but I'm a dying man? My mate Kev has dementia. He says hi and forgets dementia. His whole life's an insane adventure. Sometimes he's...
You can't do Kev like that, man. You can't do Kev like that. He says hi and he forgets he met you.
in a frying pan. Am I just high, but I'm a dying man? My mate Kev has dementia. He says hi and forgets dementia. His whole life's an insane adventure. Sometimes he sleeps in the shopping centre.
Oh, I can't believe he's doing that on a bus. On a bus, on a train. That'd be my worst nightmare. Oh, God. My social awkwardness couldn't cope with that. Fair play, Kev, fair play.
His whole life's an insane adventure. Sometimes he sleeps in the shopping centre. Come on, I wanna party with you. Let's go downtown where the wife's asleep. She is an evil succubus and she spits black venom from her sagging teeth. Let's go, let's go, let's go to the mall. Let's go, let's go. And I bring both balls. One's to the left, and one's to the right. Meet in the middle, a testicle fight. Take it to America, how do you do? Feeling like a love pirate, shiver me boots. I ain't got time for the drama. Hopping on the train, motherfucker, choo-choo. Come on, yeah. A motherfucker.
Literally hopping on the train. I can't believe they're filming that packed. It looks like it's peak travel time on a fucking train. Oh, God. I don't know whether, if I was there, I don't know if I'd be vibing out or whether I'd just be so focused on not making eye contact with anyone. I'd just be head down, not looking. I think I probably would be vibing. I'd hear it in the distance. I'd be like, wait. The Northern Boys.
Take it to America, how do you do? Feeling like a love pirate, shiver me boots. I ain't got time for the drama. Hopping on the train, motherfucker, choo-choo. Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna make a love to me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna get fucked with me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna make a love to me? Come on, yeah. A motherfucker, do you wanna get fucked with me? All aboard the sex train. All aboard the sexy train. All aboard the sex train. All aboard
Oh. Oh man, another great one from the guys. I never thought I'd hear that song sampled and used in quite that way, but it worked. They always managed to pull it off. They always managed to find a unique spin to take on songs, and like I said, they always managed to leave me with a massive smile on my face. So shout out to them. It's crazy. Their skills were. I think the rapping on this one was slightly worse than the other songs that I've heard, but still enjoyable. And they always find some crazy schemes and crazy wordplay to utilise in it that just either leave you smiling or leave you just going, oh, Jesus. And more importantly, like I said, to do all that in public spaces with a load of people watching, a load of people filming, a load of people judging, which, let's be honest, that's the majority of humans. we judge a lot of other people on a daily basis, and if you saw three old men dancing on a train, two of them rapping some very questionable lyrics, then you know, you may be inclined to judge them. But shout out to them for not giving a fuck. At their age, I guess you don't really give a fuck about what anyone thinks of you. You're past all that shit. It's behind you. You've matured and grown past it. So yeah, shout out to them, props to them, and thank you to the heavens that Norm is okay and is better and was able to finish the rest of this music video, and thank God that they're still able to be here and put out music. I'm so appreciative of it. Like I said, to Alan, thank you so much for letting me know that this one dropped, mate. Honestly, it may have passed me by completely if you didn't. Yeah, and thank you everyone else who took the time to watch this one. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more. Comment down below anything else you'd like to see from me. Yeah, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Oh, God. They're a riot, man. They're so funny.